Good morning. I know I'm a little late on doing Breast Cancer Awareness Month products or videos, but I wanted to take this time to make a breast cancer awareness KDP interior, low content interior. I have already created some breast cancer awareness book covers that I want to use. Right now, this month, my mom is going through a very hard time with her breast cancer. She's really been kind of in and out the hospital, so it's been kind of hard for me to um grasp what I want to do next, for my next project. So I came up with this idea to basically, instead of not working or stopping during this time, that I could still work and just create something. And create things, that my mind can focus on a little bit. And right now, only thing I can kind of focus on is what's going on with her. So I'm going to do my best to, continue to work during this time, but at the same time, you know, focus on what I need to be focusing on. So it's not going to be anything special. It's going to basically be, just some stuff to reflect breast cancer awareness or breast cancer. This will be mainly used as a journal, like a daily journal for someone with breast cancer, or it can be, gifted out to a family member or something like that if they're not taking it well. I mean, if they are taking it pretty well. I wouldn't do this for a person that's really struggling with it because it would be like a constant reminder of what they're going through. But someone that's pretty much taking it well, I think this would be a pretty decent gift for them. And if you wanted to use this on Amazon KDP, you could use it with the color or without the color. I'm going to with this when I do this, I will include it for people to use it with the color, and they could edit it out to, once they get the template or whatever. You don't have to use the color. It's just something that I'm adding in. I'm not 100% sure why I always like to add this extra box, but it gives me extra space to kind of cover what I need to cover with what I'm trying to do. And right now, I'm just kind of adding stuff. I'm definitely not 100% sure if this will work or not, but I want to see. I think that'll look pretty behind it. So far, that looks pretty good. I'm going to lock this because I don't need anything on this page moving right now. I'm going to lock the whole page except for, well, everything is locked. So I think that would make a pretty cover. Interior page. So now we can just add lines. I do want to use a date section. And to make this just a little bit more pretty, I guess you could say, I'm going to do this. Let me see. That's pretty. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. I'm going to give them 20 lines, and I want to see how they look with 20. I'm going to give it to about right there because I'm going to put something else at the bottom. No, I'm not. I'm just going to keep going. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I'm going to give them 30 lines. And I want it to go right here. And I may have to delete some of these lines because I don't want it to look, I'm really not really too much looking for college rule with this right here. You know, if an actual cancer person gets this, I want them to have the room that they need to properly to see what they're writing, pretty much. So they have 30 lines. A date section is the date. I mean, the font is pretty big. I'm going to zoom back out. And that looks nice. That looks nice, something pretty. It's not really, it's not too much. It's pretty. It can kind of keep a person upbeat and reminded that they're a survivor. Thanks for watching.